That is the best barbecue burger in the world, possibly the universe. Hey guys, welcome back to Square County Homestead. And today we're going to make the best barbecue burgers you've ever had. Basically, ground beef. That's 3 pounds, 2 onions, 2 bell peppers, 2 jalapeños. So I'm going to chop this up into small pieces and we'll mix this in. Alright, so after consideration, I got to looking. 1 onion should be plenty. Onion, bell pepper, we got our jalapenos. And I'm going to wait. I was going to mix them in. I was like, I've got people that's going to come eat. Their palate may not be as refined as mine. So I'm going to wait. I can hold off and I'll show you how we're going to use those jalapenos. So basically, we're just going to take these onions and these bell peppers, okay, just throw them all in there. Now I'm going to get this out of the way for a second. Right. I'm going to go ahead and try to start mixing this up a little bit. Yeah, that was going to be way too much onion. You don't usually hear me say that too often. Now, I'm going to take a little bit of this. And you take your favorite barbecue sauce, or if you make your own, I'm just going to use this one here. This is like a hickory and brown sugar. I'm going to take this same crawfish bowl. I'm going to shower that with a little love. Keep mixing her up there. And after we get it mixed up, I'm going to add some cheese, like the shredded cheese, whatever kind of cheese you want. I think what I have is pepper jack and cheddar or something like that. So here we go. We're going to mix all that up in there with it. That was probably about half a bag. We'll probably use all of that before it's over with. Can't go wrong with cheese. Alright, so it's patty making time. Ball it up. Everybody knows what a patty's supposed to look like, I hope. And I'm going to make these a little big, because this will shrink down some. Do the best we can with them. Now here's where we come in with the jalapeno. I'll put at least one right there. Okay, that way if you like jalapeno, you can grab one with the jalapeno on it. How about that? Pretty self-sufficient. Simple. Almost foolproof. Almost. Alright, so here we are. We're about to put these on the smoker. Got the good blue smoke. We're around 250. So, got our wood over to the side in the firebox. Alright, so here we are, and all we're going to do now is put a little coat of barbecue sauce on. Put as thick or as thin as you want to do it, or not put any more at all. But we just put a little coating on there. This is probably about an hour into the smoke. Don't pay attention to that little guy in the left corner over there. That's for my neighbor's kid that was coming over. But hey, we still smoked him one. So now we're about 2 hours onto the smoke. So these bad boys are done. The ones to the right, closer to the fire, they're going to be your more well done. The ones to the left may have a little pink in them, and that's the way we wanted to cook them. But you could move them around if you needed to. But if you've noticed, I hadn't flipped these things. I hadn't done anything with them. So guys, quit taking that spatula and moving these burgers everywhere and squeezing them down. You're ruining them. Leave them alone. If you do that, they'll turn out okay. So here's our finished product. We had that thing on the smoker for about 2 hours. And I'm going to tell you what, man. And you see I don't have any sides with this? You don't need a side with this. Look at this thing. Now, it's almost impossible to eat this behemoth without cutting it in half. Man, just look at this. Maybe y'all can get up there and see that. That is the best barbecue burger in the world. Possibly the universe. Hey, thanks again for watching. Leave any comments, criticism, or attaboys. We'll see you next time.